If your Ford Ranger is refusing to fire up, don't call the tow truck just yet because the fix is often simpler than you think. Statistically, 70% of starting failures in older Rangers are caused by simple battery or terminal corrosion issues. Before we start turning wrenches, let's run through a systematic diagnosis to find the exact culprit. Start by cleaning your battery terminals and checking the ground wires for any signs of rust or loose connections. A common ghost issue on Rangers is the inertia switch, which can cut fuel delivery if it gets bumped too hard. Listen for the fuel pump hum when you turn the key. If it's silent, your fuel system is the likely problem. Most terminal and relay issues are easy weekend fixes, but fuel pump replacements usually require dropping the gas tank. While a new relay is only $20, a professional fuel pump replacement can easily climb towards $600. Use a can of starter fluid in the intake. If the engine kicks over briefly, you've confirmed a fuel delivery issue. Keep a basic multimeter and an OBD2 scanner in your truck to make roadside diagnosis much faster. Remember that 90% of these issues are resolved with simple cleaning and basic electrical maintenance. Check those terminals and the inertia switch first, and you'll likely be back on the road in no time.